Good morning, Sylvia here, and welcome to Travels by Trike. Today I am at Crater Lake. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Beautiful morning. Looking down on Wizard Island in the middle of Crater Lake. It's a dormant volcano. And I am getting ready to do the Crater Lake Rim Road ride. Crater Lake Rim Road is shut down to traffic for 2 Saturdays. So I'm going to be out here with a lot of people. And I've got Myrtle out of the truck and ready to go. So yeah, come on, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I've started the Crater Lake Rim Road ride. And right away, there's a very big hill. And I can tell you, you do get a pretty big workout, even with electric assist. I'm summiting a hill, and soon I'll be able to recover on the downhill, and soon we'll have views of the lake. How's that for a reveal, huh? Amazing. Just gorgeous. And now we got another uphill. Woo! All right, getting to the top of this climb, and I'm seeing my first recumbent two-wheel. Hi there. Yeah, I don't recognize them, but how about that? One recumbent. We'll see what happens, see if we see any more. Boy, that was a heck of a climb. Yeah, it's warming up out here. Taking off the gloves. Probably taking off the jacket soon. But look at this. Is that not spectacular? Oh my gosh. What an amazing, amazing day. And we've got a road with no cars. Fantastic. Another peak of the lake. And this is the view all day today. Been climbing this hill for a long time. It's pretty gradual. I'm showing, well, 6%. You know what? That's pretty good. Boy, I've had just huge downhills. It's absolutely gorgeous here. It's just after 8 o'clock in the morning. I keep saying I'm going to fix my squeaky seat when I stop, and I always forget. So sorry about that. Coming up to the first rest area and the first bathroom, which I'm going to take advantage of. Cleetwood. Yeah, I'm recovering from that last uphill. Oh my goodness. Definitely going to get a workout today. Crater Lake with early morning sun. And you can see Wizard Island where I started. Off directly in front of me here. Gonna eventually get back there. So far on these downhills, I've been exceeding the 35-mile-an-hour speed limit, but there are no cars today, so I've got the road to myself and a few other bikers. Woohoo! Woohoo, woohoo! Yeah, even with the electric assist, I've got upright riders without electric assist passing me. It's a little humbling, but you know, this is the view up here. All right, ride the rim, Crater Lake, Oregon. And I'm just getting to the top of, I think, the biggest climb for the day. I think this climb might have been as much as 2 miles. And I've gone 11.5 miles with 1,500 feet of climbing. And a lot of that hill was at 7% grade. Oh, we've got a bit of a rough road here. I'm gonna have to take it a little bit slow, I think. But nice downhill here, that's for sure. So far, my fastest speed, I think. Oh, my fishtailing my rear wheel on that gravel. Oh my goodness. But I think I've gotten up to 38, maybe 39 miles an hour. That's pretty exciting. I'm gonna have to keep this speed down a little bit. Boy, that was a long one. Holy moly. I'm at 18 miles and 2,100 feet of climbing. So I think I'm more than halfway at this point. Yeah, let's go down. Okay, so that concludes the part of the ride that is traffic-free, car-free, because the rest of the ride is where people are parking to do the ride. And so some people are starting at this end of the rim road, and some people are starting where I parked. I think it's the East Rim Road. And I've got 23.5 miles with 2,300 feet of climbing. And I suspect the only cars we're going to see are people parking, or they have completed the ride and they're leaving the park. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not even sure how long this ride is. There might be another 10 miles, might be a little longer. We'll find out at the end. All right, let's see what this is like. Come on, Myrtle. Avalanche zone. No stopping for the next half mile. So even though there is traffic, at least in this direction, they're going to be going pretty slow at 20 miles an hour. Wow, just how amazing is this view? There's Wizard Island from the other side, and boy, Crater Lake is just so blue. It's just this. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, there's no other like this color. Yeah, that is just quite the view.
The bluer the sky, the bluer the lake.
Right, I guess that's true. The bluer the sky, the bluer the lake.
So today it might not be as epic.
Yeah, yeah, could be even bluer. Hard to believe. Well, that's. Yeah, so I almost missed the turn here, and that was such an amazing view. I'm really glad I stopped there So I need to make a right on Highway 138 to go to the North Junction. That's where I'm parked. So it looks like I have probably a little less than 6 miles to go. I'm parked on this side of the North Junction. But wow, just amazing views here. Just absolutely astonishing. Yeah, quite a nice view here, isn't it? You can see some smoke, haze. We've had a couple of days of rain, which cleared out a lot of the smoke, but they did not put out the fire. So there's still a lot of fires burning. And we got very lucky with the weather today. Yesterday morning was 31 degrees. This morning was 43. Warmer. What an outstanding ride, right? Amazing. And I've just got like a couple more miles here, and then I'll be back where I parked. So I just finished doing the Crater Lake Rim Ride. I did 32 miles with just about 3,700 feet of climbing. My average speed was 9.6 miles an hour. I started at 8 in the morning and I finished just before noon. I went through one 630 watt hour battery. Really, I was on fumes at the end. And it's a brand new battery. I just got this battery from Zach Kaplan at the recumbent retreat. So fresh, very fresh. And this ride, there's 2 days of the year that it's pretty much car free. I would guess like the last 10 miles was on roads with traffic, which was mostly traffic, people parking to do the ride, or they have just finished the ride and they're leaving this national park. There's a big section that has no car traffic at all, and you can do this ride just on that section. You can drop your bike off at one end, drive to the other end, leave your car, and there's a shuttle that will take you back to your bike, and then you ride the route back to your car. But I didn't think it was too bad when there was car traffic. Everybody was very, very polite, but I just thought this ride was fantastic. The views are just outstanding. You're gonna have to let me know what you think. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time.